In these presentations, I will discuss introductions to law and business law. Law and business are two elements that cannot be separated. Every business activity, from small enterprises to large corporations, always operates within the framework of legal regulations. Without law, business activities may lead to conflicts, injunctive, and losses for various parties. Law serves as a guideline to ensure that business activities run in an orderly, fair, and legally certain manner. Therefore, a basic understanding of law and business law is very important, especially for students who will later enter the professional world or become business actors. Okay, next, definitions of law. Law is a set of rules or norms that regulates human behavior in society. These rules are binding and must be obeyed by every individual. If a violation occurs, sanctions will be imposed by the state or authorized institutions. Law exists to create order and justice in society. In the business context, law regulates relationships between business actors, consumers, employers, and the government. Without law, business activities could operate without limits and potentially harms other parties. Okay, next, objectivities and functions of law. The main objective of law is to create order and justice in society. Law also aims to protect the rights and obligations of individuals so that they are not violated by others. In addition, law provides legal certainty, allowing people to feel secure in carrying out their activities. The foundation of law include serving as a tool of social control, regulating human behavior according to established norms. Law also functions as a means of conflict resolutions and as an instrument of development, particularly in economic and business sector. Example, without labor law, companies could force employers to work excessively without fair wage. With labor law in place, employers' rights are protected and companies are subject to clear limitation. Okay, next, sources of law. Sources of law are the foundations or references used in the formations and applications of legal rules. Regulations is the primary source of law because it is written and legally binding. In addition, customs that's developed in society can become sources of law if they are consciously practiced and requisite. Jurisprudence, which refers to control decisions is often used as guidance in resolving similar cases. Furthermore, treaties or international agreements regulate relationships between countries, especially in international business activities. Example, in export-import activities, international agreements serve as the legal basis when disputes arise between countries or multinational companies. Okay, next, definitions of business law. Business law is a branch of law that regulates legal relationships in business activities. Business law covers various aspects such as business contract, company establishment, buying and selling transactions, and consumer protection. The purpose of business law is to create legal certainty and fairness for all parties involved. Business law prevents harmful business practices and provides protections for weaker parties, particularly consumer. Next, scope of business law. One important scope of business law is contract law. Every legally valid agreement has binding legal force and must be complete with by all parties involved. Example, Company A and Company B entered into a distribution contract. The agreement states that Company A was required to deliver 1,000 units of products every month. However, Company A later delivered the product late and in reduced quantities. This situation is known as a breach of contract or one prestation, which refers to the failure to fulfill contractual obligations. As a result, Company B suffers losses due the to declining sales and customers. Legal aspect. Company B has the right to claim compensations or request contract terminations under civil law. Lessons learned. Business contracts are not mere formalities, they carry real legal consequences. Okay, next. Principles of business law. The principles of business law include freedom of contract, good faith, fairness, and legal certainty. Freedom of contract allows parties to determine the terms of their agreement, but this freedom is limited by law and ethical norms. Example, a contract was made under coercion against one party. Even though it was written, the contract may be annulled because it violates the principle of good faith. Listen, learned business activities must be conducted with honesty and balance to avoid harming other parties. Okay, next. The role of law in the business world. Law plays an important role in creating a healthy and fair business environment. One of its key roles is preventing unfair business competition. Example, a large company sold product at extremely low prices to eliminate smaller competitors. After the competitors went out of business, the company significantly increased prices. This case represents a monopolistic practice that harms consumers and small business. Lesson learned: competition law maintain market balance and protect public interest. Okay, next, consumer protection. Business law also protects consumers from unfair business practices. Example, a consumer purchase an electronic product online that was advertised with an official warranty. However, the product was defective and the seller refused to take responsibility. Legal aspect: business actors are obligated to compensate consumers for losses. Consumers have the right to receive compensations under consumer protection law. Lesson learned: honesty in promotions and responsibility for product quality are legal obligations. Okay, next, consolation. Law and business are closely interconnected. Law functions to create order, justice, and legal certainty in business activities. Business law regulates relationship among business actors, consumers, and other parties to prevent violation. By understanding business law, business actors can operate safely, fairly, and sustainably. Compliance with the law is not only an obligation but also a long-term investment in business success. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.